So this is going to be another down and dirty one. I don't know, like many days I've run out of time. But as you can see, my garden is doing pretty well. But I don't have time to tend it, right? So a lot of stuff goes unpicked. And that's what happened with our cucumbers. That is kind of this mass here. I came out here and I didn't see any cucumbers. There were a lot of cucumbers. So I decided to make up some refrigerator pickles, which are quick, easy, and delicious. So I'll show you how all that goes, and then you know, preserving food is certainly a good homesteading project, and hopefully I can get out here in the next day or two and get a lot of this harvested. Otherwise, it's all going to the pigs. Some of these guys are too big, but I've picked several of the smaller ones. I'm going to use pickles, vinegar, salt, sugar, in jars, and we're in business. So we made enough brine for 4 of those jars. Simply dissolve the salt and sugar in the vinegar and then add in the cold water, and I'm going to put it in the fridge for a bit. Next we're going to prep the cucumbers. So basically I'm going to cut off the stem end, the blossom end, about 1/4 inch down, and then I'm going to cut these guys into spears, and then I will cut up some garlic to add to the jars, and then I have some old pickling spice I've been meaning to use up, so that's going in there too, and some red pepper flakes. So let's get to cutting. So now we got some garlic to add to the jars, and now we'll start on the cucumbers. Alright, so our 4 jars are packed. Now it's time to add our garlic, which is that little pile right there, spices, and then top it off with the brine.